Here's the problem, job categories nag-overlap. POEA, tsaka yung DMW classifications, yung household service workers can cover yung wide array of duties. Cleaning, cooking, childcare, elder care. Tapos, ginagawa pa yung pati kay Lola and yung mga daily needs niya. Expected ka bang ikaw maglaba, magluto, lahat ganito? Often nga, nire-record lang yan na ganyan, domestic helpers, hindi caregivers. Different training, same label abroad ang nangyayari. So, a Filipina with NC2, caregiving training, may be sent there as a domestic helper visa sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, o sa Middle East. Because those countries don't always distinguish caregiving from household work in their labor categories, which is very, very unfair. Kasi nga, ang caregiving, lalo na kasi caregiving, nadi-disguise yan as domestic work. Many OFW share these stories. Marami yan, they were promised caregiving role, pero pagdating sa bahay, they're expected to do all around. Tapos pa may elder care pa. Hindi ganun kadaling mag-caregiving at mag-OFW pag pinagsama mo yung trabaho ng caregiving at ng domestic helper work.